Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today is day 2 of my spoken English challenge. If you are new here, so let me tell you one thing that I am not perfect in English, but I am practicing every day to improve my speaking skills. So this challenge is for me and for all the beginners like me. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about my daily routine and what I did the whole day. See, I believe that speaking about our daily life is the best way to improve spoken English. Today was a normal and a busy day for me. I woke up early in the morning, and after waking up, I freshened up and did my household chores. I prepared breakfast for my family and I helped my daughter get ready for the school. And after completed my household chores, and then after finishing all the work, I worked on my English. Right now, I'm sitting in my room and I was reading a book. This book. I think reading book helped me improve my vocabulary and also improve my sentence formation. So yes, the name of this book is 3000 Stitches and the author name is Sudhamurthy. She is very simple and inspiring writer. If you are a beginner, so I strongly recommend this book because this language is very simple and meaningful. There are stories. So you should read this book. You learn more new words if you at least if you read this book at least 5 to 10 minutes, so you learn some new words and new sentence formation and sentence pattern, that how it make it. If you read this book at least 5 to 10 minutes daily, so you see the big difference really, because this book when you start reading, so you understand the meaning easily. If I'm talk about my experience, so when I started reading this book, so just 1 or 2 pages, I become very interested in it because it's very simple and meaningful and easily understandable. So and useful, all the words for your daily conversation. So it's really helpful for beginner. So I think you should read it. This is day 2 of my spoken English challenge, and I will continue this challenge every day. And I try to speak better English step by step. If I can do it, you can also do it. So if you like this video, so please do subscribe my channel, and see you tomorrow, day 3 of my spoken English challenge. Take care. Bye bye.